This is lesson 27 in the Mr. Circuit STEM coloring activity book. In this lesson, we introduce the English police siren circuit. It's an electronic circuit that will emit two tones similar to that of an English police siren. You use the push button switch to change back and forth between the two tones. The schematic diagram for the English police siren circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in earlier lessons of this STEM activity book. You may remember from lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to generate tones. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC and a push-button switch to make the two tones similar to an English police siren. A transistor is included in the circuit to amplify the sound and make it louder. On page 27, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot in an English police hat. English police are referred to as bobbies. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here is an English police siren circuit using 5 resistors, a 555 timer IC, a push-button switch, an NPN transistor, a capacitor, and a speaker. Please draw a circle around the schematic symbol of the push-button switch on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make an English police siren circuit? 2. That this English police siren circuit uses a 555 timer IC and a transistor to generate two tones like an English police siren. And 3. How to spell and pronounce English police siren circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 27. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.